In this video, I will show you how to install cable internet without paying any installation charge. It works for every cable internet connection. In order to use XFINITY internet, you need to first buy internet and then install a router in your apartment. First, go to the XFINITY website to select correct package for you. The cheapest one is for 20 bucks. So once you selected the right package for you and enter related information for the payments, or here is the one option, you can use your own router or rent from the XFINITY. I suggest to buy your own router to save few bucks. So once you did all this step, you are good to use XFINITY internet. So the XFINITY will send you a starter kit with a cord or a cable wire. If you rent the modem, they will send you modem too. So you can install the modem by yourself to save few money. So here, this one is the cord or cable wire that is used to install your modem. This is the modem. I bought this modem from Netgear, and this is the power adapter that uses to give power to modem. So this modem is a combo. It has Wi-Fi as well as it works as modem. I mean, this will works as modem as well as router. This is an 3000 modem from Netgear. So when you buy a router, when you buy a modem, be careful. The modem should have both combo, router and modem, so that you do not need to buy another router for the Wi-Fi. That's all that's all thing for the router. The next one, you have to find out the socket, the cable socket in your apartment. Just look like this is the power socket. This is not a cable socket, but this one is the cable socket. So this is the socket from where you use cable, or you can use, or this can be used for cable internet. Just connect one side of the cable wire, just press and twist in clockwise direction. So make sure this will be connected correctly. Try to make it tight and connect another in to the router. Take another input, just look back side of the router. There is some connection where you can connect that other end and push and twist again in clockwise. Make sure you will connect this correctly. A twist in that direction. Now I'm connecting this one. Now it's connected, one into the router, another into the cable cord or cable connection. So I will make this a little tight so that it will not loose. This is the power adapter. Just connect power adapter with the router and plug in this adapter to the power socket. You can see there is a green light turn on the power button. So just wait 15 to 20 minutes so that all these lights become a green or blinking green. So once your light become a green, now you need to activate your internet. To activate your internet, you need to go to the XFINITY website, or you can simply connect to the default Wi-Fi generated by your router. The name of default Wi-Fi is under these labels. Here is Netgear 18 is my default Wi-Fi, and I have a password. Just I will connect to that Wi-Fi and using that password with laptop or mobile to activate my internet connection. Once I connected those by Wi-Fi, it will take me automatically to Xfinity website where I need to put my address to verify. So, or you can use Ethernet cable to connect to your desktop and do the same process to verify. Once you verified, the light looks like steady and you are ready to use internet.